Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. I'm really thrilled to anyone that would spend even a moment of their precious day to listen in. I have a fan meter on here and I just decided to go going. Just one moment, I'm just going to turn it off. So this video is this clip is an intro. I've moved into a new place, so this video is kind of about that process. There's some clips from that process, so I hope you enjoy it. Basically I just go through the moving process, and I hope that explains why I haven't been on the channel so much in recent times. I hope you enjoy the video. I will see you again at the end.
Hi guys, just a few words about the process. So here I am moving out of the rental accommodation I was in, and here I am. I've just walked in the door now of my new home, so it's a very exciting moment. Here we are walking into the kitchen. So it's lovely and clean and ready to go. The bathroom. And then up the stairs, and what's up here is the bedroom. A lovely empty, ready for anything bedroom. So here is my first night in. So it's at night time and I've lit the fire. So to try and heat up the place and make it cozy for myself. And doesn't it look so sweet looking at the fire burning there? It was very precious to be in the house the first night watching the fire burning. So the next day straight into business, getting the paint and getting going to get this place ready and in ship-shop shape for me to live in, make my home. There I am looking for paint colours. But I had in my mind to paint it white anyhow, so I was just looking to make sure I'd get the right paint and the right equipment to do the job. So I'm back home and I'm painting now, so I'll let you enjoy that. So here I am attempting at least to save lives, you know, and while I was painting I was listening to lots of Wayne Dyer and, you know, things to kind of, for a positive mindset and a positive life, because moving into a new home, it's a very big new start, so it's important to try to have a positive mindset. But this fly might have been attempting to get the better of me, but never mind. In the end, he did leave the room eventually. But anyway, it is funny just to watch these funny moments at times.
properly, your posture is going to change.
The shoulder just, it's healed. I just went and did it and climbed 40 feet up this tree. Somebody said, "Hey Ken, how's your shoulder?" And I went, "Oh."
Hi guys, welcome to today's progress. Today is the third full day of painting, although it's 1 in the afternoon now. I took a break to put this baby in, and at last, oh my gosh, I've never been so happy to see a bed. 10 nights on an air bed puts a new perspective on actual bed. But I feel like the room's beginning to take some shape. So I've got the bed in, I've got the heater painted, the room painted, the skirts painted. There is more to do still here, but at least it's beginning to feel and look at least it's beginning to feel and look like a functional bedroom again, and nice and bright and fresh. So very, very happy. It's been a long road even just to get to this point. Seriously, it's been a lot of work. There's still a lot to do. I'm just literally on the first room, and my plan was to get all the rooms done by today. I was like, I'll easily get the room done in a day. This is my third day. I'm still painting. Imagine. That's all for now. I'll give you another update later as I progress. Bye!
So at this point, upstairs is painted. So I've moved downstairs. So this is what was waiting for me downstairs. And it's not even the kitchen, it was just the sitting room. So here we are downstairs, and I was taking in this whole big task that awaited me. But nonetheless, I got stuck in and got to it anyway all the same. By the end of the day, I think I had painted that first, well, almost painted that first coat. So that room did go a little bit quicker actually than the room overhead, but it was still quite slow. So after that I took a little bit of a break, and the next morning I went to the park. So the joys of living where I live now is I have this lovely wonderful park near my home. So it's very lovely to go out there and just take some time out and enjoy it. So that's what I'm doing in this moment. Once the house was painted, I took a trip to collect my things that were in storage. So that was a little bit of a road trip. So here I am, and I'm taking in Chester, a town in North Wales, in Wales. So it was quite fun to go somewhere new that I hadn't been before. So it was nice to have that time to walk around the town and see it, and a welcome break from moving things around and driving and painting and all of that. So here we are, back home with my stuff inside the door, and that's where we're at now until I speak to you just now.
Hi again. I hope you enjoyed the video clips you've seen. So you're getting a bit of a taste of what the last few months and weeks have been like. So I'm in my new place. I'm still very much in the process of getting it set up and getting everything together. I've got my table for my art studio space, which is a part of the living room actually, but still it'll be perfect for my needs, current needs at least. So I just wanted to give you an update and let you kind of see what's been going on behind the scenes. And I am hoping to do more with this channel now that I'm on health mode and the work of that is done. There is still a lot of work to be done here, and I shall do a before and after, a special video for that, but I'm not going to do it today because it's really nowhere, it's not ready for you guys to see just yet, but I will show you a before and after so you can see the process and the creative process we went through to get the place to where I wanted it to be, or at least where I wanted it to be in my imagination, but there is a road to go yet, so it may be some time yet. Anyway, that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys for tuning in, if you have, for taking your time to tune in. I really do appreciate every view. And please, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We'd love some new subscribers. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and happy being creative. Bye for now. Bye!